What's up, everybody? It's time for tacos. And for today, since everybody liked my 78 Ford F-250 Super Cab, I'm breaking out El Jefe, my 78 Ford Bronco. Check it out. Come on, El Jefe, let's go get some tacos. Oh, I love this thing. Sweet. So I acquired El Jefe here about 6 or 8 months ago off a Bring a Trailer. And it's a pretty cool old truck. It's real honest, real original. Only thing that we've done is put some new Nitto tires on it. Thanks, Nitto. Shameless plug. And I've driven it around a little bit. We're still working out a few of the kinks. It's got a little bit of a goofy steering box and doesn't have a radio. But it was one family owned, absolute zero rust, zero wrecks. It's had a few dings and stuff repaired over the years, but all in all, it's a pretty bitchin' truck, and I paid a lot of money for it. These things are getting extremely popular for some reason, and I think I paid 24 grand for this Bronco. And the reason that I paid that much is because, well, one, it's worth it. And two, it's worth actually probably a lot more. I'm hoping to get about 35 grand for it once we get it dialed in and everything working properly. No cracks in the dash, nice and clean. Interior's nice. The floorboards in the underneath of this truck are absolutely amazing. You could probably take this truck apart with a set of hand tools. No corrosion, no rust whatsoever. And that's the way I like to buy them. That's the way that F-250 was, and that's the way this truck is. So if you want a 78 Bronco, give me a holler. Maybe we'll eat tacos and I'll sell it to you. But for now, I'm just gonna eat some damn tacos because I like tacos. I hope they're good. Actually, we've had pretty good luck so far, so I'm picking a little bit more seedy place to see if I can get some nasty ones. It's amazing to me how good all the mirrors look when I look in them. It's like every mirror I look at works perfectly. Like the longest light in history. Boom. So as far as what's up for Gas Monkey in the future, I tell you, we are coming up with some really cool stuff. I'm kind of writing the business plan right now, kind of rethinking who we are and what we are and where we're going to go next. I'm pretty excited about it, and I can't let the cat out of the bag, so to speak, but the monkey is coming out of the box, I assure you. All right, bumps. So here we are, pulling up Taco-licious. Now, I'm sure there's a bazillion Taco-liciouses out there, and none of them are related. So this one just happens to be the Taco-licious taqueria on Royal Lane, kind of close to Gas Monkey's shop. Believe it or not, I haven't been to this one yet, so we're gonna check it out. And I have heard nothing about it. I know nothing about it. I just know that I've seen it a bunch when I'm driving through the shop area here. So today is its lucky day to find out if there it is, look at that. Got paintings on the windows. Stoked to tear this up. So here we are, Taco-licious on Royal Lane. Don't fail me, I need a good meal.
What are you thinking?
I assume, you know, because tacos are usually one of about 5 or 6 different things, I'll get the usual, but if they have something weird in there, I'm gonna order it. Well, good thing is there's a crowd. All right, Taco-licious. We got some chips, salsa, 3 taco platter. They call it tres tacos. I don't know why, but there you go. And in the glass, they had one of those soda fountains, so and they also had tea, so I got a little lemonade and tea, which is commonly referred to as a Arnold Palmer. Woo! She said this was the spicy salsa. I guess we'll find out. And this is the regular chip salsa and taco salsa. Okay, so Tres taco platter equals 3 tacos. So we got carnitas and barbacoa and that's pretty good. It's all right. We got the cilantro, the onion, the lime. Put all this stuff on there. Onion and cilantros. Some of God's greatest inventions. Oh, and a jalapeno. What do you think? Should I eat it? Pretty good. It's a little roasted flavor. Not too hot. Just right. Got some rice. But we're not here for rice. We're here for tacos. So we'll check the chicken first. Good texture. Not a lot of chunky stuff that you don't recognize. Looks pretty good. I think we've got to try salsas too. We don't know what's going on. Okay, so that's green sauce. So that's a green sauce. That's like avocado and crema. This is like a yellow orange sauce. I don't know what that is. Whoa, it's hot. She wasn't kidding. Okay, that's the hot one. Woo! And then we got some charro beans. Really good flavor on that. But I digress. We're not here for beans and rice and stuff. We're here for tacos. Chicken's good. Put a little bit of this stuff on it, whatever this stuff is. I wish they had names for all this stuff. A little bit more of that. Oh. Pretty damn good. Get a little bit of bean juice on there. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just sitting here with my El Jefe, eating some tacos. All right, let's jump onto this other one here. I think this is going to be the shredded pork. Oh yeah. Let's put a little bit of that hot sauce on there. Golly, that thing's hot as in temperature. I don't know about that one. It's kind of just there. It doesn't have a lot of taste. I'm gonna screw up El Jefe's carpet and get some hot sauce on it. This jalapeno's good though. All right, that's good too. At least it's not bad. Now we're jumping on to, I don't know what this is. I think it's, yeah, barbacoa. I think they call it shredded beef. Fuck yeah. You know what we're missing here? Like an idiot with a loud muffler. Haven't heard one of those yet. It'll happen. Watch. All right. So the last one, the barbacoa. good texture. It's not all fatty and stuff. All right. So there you go. So I can get back to eating everything. I don't know if it's just me or if it's, Texas knows how to make tacos or what, but this is a good, solid, all-around taco place, taco joint. Or maybe it's just that I've never met a taco I didn't like. Maybe that's it. So, on my rating scale from 0 to 6th gear, I'm giving this one a strong 5th gear on the taco. Everything was good. I think that the only thing they lacked on was it just kind of fell flat a little bit. They were good, the texture was good, the flavors were good, but it wasn't as strong a flavor as I'd like to see. So there you go. That's my 2 cents for 3 tacos. Boom. Go away, I gotta finish eating. I want everybody to know what a pig I am.